One of the key advantages of test automation is increased efficiency and repeatability by using scripting. Traditionally, automated test scripting has been a complex and time-intensive effort requiring high-level proficiency in coding. Automation X has a user-friendly interface that optimizes productivity for non-technical testing teams and expert testing teams alike. It incorporates natural language-based codeless scripting methods with an innovative drag-and-drop feature. Test teams can create complex test scripts such as true-false statements simply by using the natural language scripting feature available within Automation X. This enables testers, developers, and business users to automate their tests with no prior development or coding experience needed. The actions are listed in the action pop-up, which can be opened from the scripting page. The complete documentation of the action will be available by clicking on the eye icon on top of the action button. Actions can be dragged and dropped to the script canvas, which provides smart and user-friendly object and property selection text boxes and drop boxes. Inspected pages and objects and their properties will be automatically populated in the selection boxes, which allows testing teams to select simple and understandable actions without worrying about the underlying technical difficulties. Action order can be rearranged by clicking and dragging the line to rearrange the script. Once the selections are finished, the script will be converted to a readable sentence. The live scripts allow users to record the test scripts by simply using the web application, while the actions of the users will be recorded with simple and user-friendly script sentences. The live script can be recorded either by recording the user actions or by selecting objects and applying actions on them. Automation X has two assertion actions built in: check and confirm. Simply stated, these are true-false statements that can be easily built into the test script to validate and test without the need of high-level experience in coding. Both assertions can validate value, property, or the state of any object against an expected value or behavior, exactly like a true-false statement. These two actions differ only in the event of a failure. Users can determine if they want the script execution to stop immediately after the failure of a step, or log the failure but continue script execution. Users will use confirm when the script execution should be stopped in the case of a failed step. When check is used, the failed step is recorded, however, script execution continues to the next steps. Furthermore, check action can also be used in conditional statements and loops. The conditional action if can check for a specific value or behavior on an object to be true to execute a certain set of actions. In this example, the condition is checking for a specific error message, and it will execute some actions if that message matches the value of the object. The repeat action executes the same set of actions in a loop based on the check condition specified in the repeat until block. In this example, it checks for a disabled registration button. Until the button is not disabled, the execution will continue. Automation X allows the user to pick the available property actions based on the type of selected field. The property selection will be different in different types of objects. The user is able to select any property and compare by numerous means to expected values. Along with the object attributes of an object, Automation X provides values or behaviors that can be checked against an object. For example, the text content property checks the text value inside that object. Content property checks the HTML content inside an object. Similarly, is visible checks for the object visibility, is disabled checks whether the object is disabled or not, and is read-only checks whether the object is read-only. Properties check the state of the object. All other properties will be listed based on the object inspected through the application map. New properties can be added from the application map. Open the page, edit the object, and add the new properties. These new properties will be automatically populated in the scripting page. The values can be verified using static values or variables. These variables can be created from the objects by using the save to variable action, or it can be created from the JS module using the function variables.setVariable. The variables can be used with the preceding and ending % symbol. The variables inside AutomationX can be created or manipulated using the AutomationX.js module. Users can use variables.getVariable to get the AutomationX variable value. And after the manipulation, to set the variable value back, use variables.setVariable. This variable can be used for other operations like check, confirm, enter, etc. For more information, please visit automationx.teichnet.com.